Hello.
Hey, an experimental girl, the
Yeah.
cooking class with Uncle Dan.
Here we are.
It is summertime.
Yes,
That
it
means
is.
meat
And outdoors. Yeah.
on the grill.
And what's the best cut of meat?
The ribeye.
The ribeye.
And the first thing to do now before you hit the grill, you got to rub your meat.
Yeah, that's how you prep it.
That's right.
And when I told you to rub the meat, you were pretty on it.
It's all about it. Rub your meat, I'm your guy. And of course, when we say rub your meat, we're talking about Uncle Dan's. Uncle Dan's makes everything taste that much better.
Really? And all you had to do was put a little of that on and rub it.
Rub it.
And rub it good.
And rub it good, baby.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you rub your meat, you put it on the grill, put a little heat to that meat.
Yeah, make sure that grill is hot.
Yes.
Our grill was flaming.
It was in fuego, caliente.
Oh, yeah.
And then, you know what you do next.
So is that about done there?
I think so.
I think so too.
So bring it on in.
Watch your tongues. There you go. Yeah, you don't want to drop your
Oh,
tongues.
baby. Look at it.
How would you handle your meat without it? Beautiful. Yum.
Should I use a fork and a knife or just straight off the
No,
top?
let's see
Huh?
you. Let's see you put it on the platter and cut it for us. There we go. Let me take a closer look at. Ooh, that did turn out delicious.
Oh, baby.
Are you gonna go for that fat piece? You've been dying for it. Normally, he doesn't get to eat.
No, I
the
don't get fat. I'm fat enough.
Oh, stop.
This.
You
Uncle
are.
Dan's seasoning. Rub it on your meat. Put it on the grill. Cook it.
And then enjoy.
Oh.
So good. Am I gonna get a bite of that?
Yes.